Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a bright light that looks like a star but isn't? That's probably Venus. Venus is the brightest object in our night sky after the sun and moon. It's so bright because its thick clouds reflect sunlight back to Earth. Venus is a planet, just like Earth and Mars. It's named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, probably because it shines so brightly. Even though it looks like a star, it doesn't make its own light. It reflects light from the sun, which is why we can see it. Venus is the second planet from the sun, and it's the closest planet to Earth. It's about the same size as Earth, which is why some people call it Earth's twin planet, but don't let that fool you. Venus is very different from our planet. While Venus is similar in size and mass to Earth, it's not a place we'd want to visit. A day on Venus is longer than its year. It takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun, but 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis. Because of its slow rotation, Venus doesn't experience seasons like Earth does. Imagine having summer all year long. Well, not really a fun summer, as we will discover next. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. This is because Venus has a very thick atmosphere that traps heat. Imagine wearing a thick winter coat on a hot summer day. That's how Venus feels all the time. The surface of Venus is a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. The surface is also very dry and rocky, with volcanoes, mountains and plains. Venus has a very thick atmosphere, much thicker than Earth's. This atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gases trap heat, and that's why Venus is so hot. The thick clouds also reflect sunlight back into space, which contributes to its brightness. The pressure from Venus's atmosphere is 90 times greater than Earth's. That's like being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface. If you were to stand on the surface of Venus, you would be crushed by the weight of the atmosphere. Even though Venus is a harsh and unforgiving place, it's still a fascinating planet to study. By learning more about Venus, we can better understand our own planet and the evolution of rocky planets in our solar system.